So here we have to observe certain mathematical orders of operation, including simplification techniques to quickly solve this equation. So we'll start by the orders of operation, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction where applicable. So we start on the right side here with the first parenthesis on the right. So the square root of some number then squared cancels out both the square and the square root. So we're left with 3 for that mathematical expression. And then we move on to the next one. Here we have the fourth root of 1296, which is also entered into your calculator as open parentheses 1296 close parentheses to the 1/4 power or 0.25 power. So this is the fourth root of 1296. So there are a few concepts to realize. Square root of some number is also expressed as in parentheses x to the 1/2 power or 0.5 power, and then the cube root, some number, its cube root is x to the 1/3 power or 0.33 power. And fourth root, of course, is quantity of x, open parentheses x, close parentheses to the 0.25 or 1/4 power. So that's how these would be calculated on your calculator. So your calculator should have a function with x to the y or the exponent pointy at symbol. So you can use either of those depending on what kind of calculator you have. So if we take the 1296 to the 0.25 power in the exponent, this will equal 6. So we then move on to the far left because this is open parentheses -4 close parentheses to the 0th power. So any value to the 0th power will equal 1. So now we have to rewrite this mathematical expression such that all of these calculated quantities are contained, and then observe the mathematical orders of operation. So we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So we already did parentheses and exponents. So now we have to focus on the multiplication function. So these two would be multiplied out first to prevent the incorrect calculation outcome. So therefore we multiply 6 times 3 to compute 18. Division is not applicable and subtraction is not applicable. So we get rid of those. So now all we're left with is addition. So then we add these values up in the square root. This comes to 25. And then all we have left to do is solve for the square root of 25, which is just 5. So C is calculated correctly using these mathematical orders of operation and simplification techniques.